how to schedule meeting in Microsoft Teams. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn on how we can schedule a meeting in your Microsoft Teams app. So without any further ado and without any delay, let's get started and jump right into the video. If you want to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. So what we have to do for this is once we launch the Microsoft Teams app, on the left hand side you can see the option called Meet. So go to this Meet toggle here and now select the option called Schedule a Meeting. Once you click on it, you can simply add a title for your meeting. Then after you've added a title, you can add a name, email or phone number, you can add a description and you can hit the save button. You can choose the time zone as to when you want to schedule, you can select the time as well, you can select the amount of time and select the save button and your meeting will be successfully created. And this way you'll be able to schedule a meeting on your Microsoft Teams. If you want to ever delete it, of course, you can simply select that meeting and you can choose to delete that meeting by clicking the trash icon and clicking the delete button. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.